Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by getting Webkey installed and ready. Open the app, grant camera, microphone, and location access so features work. Create or sign into your account and complete 2FA or email verification. This secures your session. Next, add a device. Scan the QR code or type the device ID manually, then accept the pairing prompt. Once done, make sure the connection status reads online before moving on. This prevents delays in the next steps. You now configure the core features that make Webkey useful. First, set up user profiles with names, permissions, and access windows so each user has the right level of control. Then enable key features, remote access, file sharing, screen capture, and any automation rules you need. Run a test workflow. Start a remote session, transfer a small file, and review the activity log to confirm timestamps and actions. If something behaves oddly, adjust permissions and retest immediately to isolate the issue. You finish by locking down and maintaining the setup. Back up your keys, enable alerts for suspicious activity, and schedule routine audits so configurations stay secure. Close sessions when done, revoke access for unused devices, and plan to rotate credentials every quarter to limit exposure. If something goes wrong, try the key troubleshooting step. Restart the app, verify permissions, and repair the device if connectivity or sync fails. This resolves most common issues quickly and gets you back on track.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.